Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. At sa video ito, ating pag-aaralan ang surface area of a prism part 1. Dahil sa part 1, ang ating pag-aaralan muna ay ang cube, ang rectangular prism or yung cuboid na tinatawag. Okay, so for cube, so yan ang example ng cube. Okay. So, siyempre, dahil nga cube, so lahat yan, all sides are equal. So, meron lang tayong gagamiting isang measurement dahil equal naman sila. Okay, so ito ang formula. SA stands for surface area. Okay. Surface area. Right? So, SA equals 6A power of 2 or 6A squared. Now, for example, in example number 1, okay, ba tayo na example? Okay, let's say A is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, so what is the surface area of the cube? Okay, meron tayong 6 kasi ang cube meron 6 faces. Okay? So, SA equals 6 times 3. Okay, power of 2. Okay, pag ganyan, parentheses, open parentheses, close parentheses, ibig sabihin yan, multiplication. Okay? SA equals 6. It means 3 times 3. Okay? Hindi 3 times 2. 3 times 3. So, SA equals 6 times 3 times 3. Okay, so 6 times 9. So, sagot natin dyan, 6 times 9 is 54. Okay, 54 square centimeter. Okay. Another example, number 2. Let's say A is equal to 8 centimeter. So SA equals 6 times 8 power of 2. So SA equals 6 times 8 times 8. SA is equal to 6 times 64. So, ang ating surface area for our example number 2 is 384 square centimeters. Okay, next example. So, dako naman tayo sa rectangular prism. Right, so ito ang formula natin. So, surface area of rectangular prism equals 2LW plus 2LH plus 2HW. So, ito yung ating length. Okay, so of course, meron tayong height. Ito yung ating H. At ito yung ating width. O yung lakad. Okay. So, sagutan natin. So, SA, surface area. So, 2 times length is 11. Okay, times W, width is 6 centimeter. Plus 2 times L ulit, so 11. Times H naman yung height, which is 3 centimeter. Plus 2 times height ulit, so 3. And then with W, so meron tayong 6 centimeter. So SA equals 132. So kuha na lang kayo ng calculator dyan. So 2 times 11, 22 times 3 is 66. Then plus 2 times 3 is 6 times 6, 36. So SA, surface area, add natin lahat yan. So 234 square centimeter. Okay, next. Last example for this video. Alright, so pwede natin itong 9 cm, pwede natin gawing L, length. Ito yung ating width. At ito yung ating height. Okay. So, SA is equal to, ano nga yung formula natin? 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times height times width. SA equals 2 times L is 9 and then width is 2 plus 2 times L is 9 and then H is 5 plus 2 times H is 5 and then width is 2 centimeter. Okay, so surface area of this rectangular prism. So meron tayong ilan to? 36 plus 45 times 2 is 90 plus 2 times 5 is 10 times 2 is 20. So ang ating final answer, the surface area for this example is 146 square centimeter. Alright? Ganon kasimple, ganon kadali. Ito po si Konkru TV. Maraming salamat po.